What's up, everybody? My name is Vince. Welcome to the channel. We run a lot of live streams on this channel. We do a lot of talking back and forth with the very cool gang. And one of the comments that came across in one of the live streams in the chat was, have you taken a look at Ford's line of tools? At first, we thought it was a joke. This can't be real. Ford doesn't sell tools. They sell cars and trucks. But we decided to do a little bit of digging. And this is what we found. Crazy. Before moving on to the Ford tools, I want to share something about the live streams that we run. You could go, we'll link a playlist here of VCG Construction Live. But in those live chats, you're going to meet the very cool gang. And they are a bunch of very knowledgeable tradespeople, DIYers, do-it-yourselfers, tool nuts, auto mechanics. There's all kinds of people in that chat. They are the coolest community on all of YouTube. And they clue us in on all kinds of stuff. This is one of them. We didn't know anything about Ford Motor Company's tool line or tool division. Let's take a look at it. We found this website totally devoted to Ford and Ford tools. They have power tools, hand tools, accessories, automotive and others, and type. Let's browse this. I got to tell you, I hope you don't need like giant biceps, like giant tattooed biceps to use these tools. But this dude sure does have a big gun. Look at it. It's nuts. But as you scroll down, see our wide range of tools for all your needs. So they have a universal lithium-ion battery. So when they say universal, what I'm thinking that means is it fits across their entire cordless, their 18-volt cordless platform. So one battery will fit all of their tools. Pretty cool. What's new at Ford Tools? I mean, they even have hand tools. 2018 Power Tool Catalog. Power tool tips. So they have industrial, professional, and DIY grade tools. So they have an FP7 Pro range of tools, which look pretty substantial. So they have corded angle grinders, corded rotary hammers, corded buffers or polisher, another style of angle grinder. They have the SDS Plus rotary hammers. They have a cutoff machine. Then they have, I would have to test this, but corded drill, impact drill, hammer drill, standard chuck impact drill, 550 watts electric drill, recip saw, and impact drill. And I started looking over these tools, and I started saying to myself, do these look familiar? Like, who makes these tools? And I kind of went over some of the offerings from Ford and some other tool companies. And it not necessarily totally apparent. I don't feel like I'm seeing who these tools are definitely offered by. I see some DeWalt, which would be Stanley Black & Decker, like for instance in this palm sander, but I don't know. There's some stuff that throws me off and says, nah, this isn't. For instance, like this planer. I'm not certain. Great if you leave it down in the comment section below. Maybe you've done the research more than we have. Who's making these tools for Ford? Or has Henry Ford decided to come back from the grave and start innovating and making power tools? Also, there was a rumor that the Ford Motor Company is actually stopping production of cars, and they would only be making trucks. Is the tool industry so profitable that the Ford Motor Company is going to drop all of their car offerings and just offer tools and trucks? Let us know what you heard down in the comment section below. We want to know. Take a look at this drop down. They have an FX1 line. It would be great if they told you what the different levels are, what FX means. But this looks like a cordless line. Impact drills, angle grinders. It looks like it could be cordless. This mini grinder is corded. You have an angle grinder here. I don't know. I can't tell. We have some jigsaw offerings. And we're back down there, FX170 circular saw. And then back to the rotary hammers and the recip saw. Let's see what else. They have air compressors. It's look at that, 4.5 gallons. F12 and F18. So here's their F12 and F18 lines. You can see the batteries they come with. You know, it kind of could look like, let's click on this thing. Man, it's hard to tell. Let's see here. Torque settings, 1 drill, 1 fast charger. Is there any telltales? 21 torque settings. No load speed, 0 to 4,500. Or I'm sorry, 0 to 450, 0 to 1,700. So this is a 2-speed drill, not a 3-speed. Let's see if we can find any other telltales here. I want to say Stanley Black & Decker, but then I can't quite tell. And there's an 18-volt battery, 2.6 amp hours. They sell a fast charger. Charger time, 1 hour. Comes with a high-resistance nylon case. Hand tools, let's look. Oh, they have screwdrivers, pliers, ratchets and sockets, wrenches. More hand tools, levels and measuring. I mean, they have look at all of these tools. The hilarious part is that I never knew that these were even available from Ford. They have jacks and seats, boxes and cabinets, vacuum cleaners, and LED lights. Let's look at the vacuum cleaners. I can't put my finger on it. You know, for a second there, I want to say Stanley Black & Decker. But then some of the other offerings, these remind me of a rigid product. I just can't tell. These are nice flashlights. Pen light. This pad light reminds me of a Stanley Black & Decker or Craftsman offering. I'm torn. I can't tell. Let's look at the ratchets and sockets. The stubby gear-to-gear individual ratchet. Pliers. Let's look at pliers. Maybe that will tell us something. I don't know how I like, there's something about these. They just look cheap. It doesn't necessarily mean they're no good. They are carbon steel. They are surface nickel. It says nicked plated, but it's nickel plated. Packaging's double blitter. I don't even know what the heck that means. I would love to know what everybody else thinks about these tools. Let us know down in the comments section below. Do you own these Ford tools? They help you repair your fixture repair daily. Do you use them in that capacity? Or do you earn a living with them? Are you a DIYer? Do you use your Ford tools as a weekend warrior? Leave it down in the comments section below. If you like this video, make sure you're smashing that like button. Also, if this is your first time to the channel, we cover a whole bunch of different tool lines in addition to this Ford tool line. So get subscribed. Smash the bell notification. Why do you want to smash the bell notification? Well, there's multiple reasons. We publish videos daily. Reason number two, to smash in the bell notification is because we publish emergency tool deals. What will happen is something will come across my desk. It's an unbelievable deal. A lot of times, it's only for a limited time only, like literally matter of minutes. So what we'll do is we'll make an emergency tool deal video. If you don't have the bell notification smash allowing all notifications in, you could miss that emergency tool deal. Never miss another tool deal ever again. Smash the bell notification. With that, I want to say I appreciate every single one of you being here, and we'll see you on the next one. Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy, and you're here at the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, and maybe over here. See you later.